In this video, we take a look at what you can do in the Board Annotator. The annotation tools are located at the bottom. The ink tool is for freehand writing. You can specify the width of the stroke from fine to ultra. We will write a few words in red with thick ink width. The eraser tool allows you to erase entire strokes. To erase a stroke, simply click on it, or drag across the strokes. The polyline tool allows you to draw straight lines as well as polygons. After drawing a first side, press spacebar and start dragging again. That will add a vertex. Repeat this process 3 more times to get 3 more vertices. To close the polygon, we simply press enter. The oval tool allows you to draw ellipses and circles. We first click on the position of the board for the center of the ellipse. Then we drag until we obtain an ellipse of the desired dimension. The grab tool allows you to move a single stroke or reposition a vertex of a polyline as demonstrated here. The crop tool allows you to specify a region of the board visible to the audience. For example, if you want the audience to see only the top half, simply crop the top half. Now let's go to the View Navigator. As you can see, only the top half is visible. The same is also true in the external window. The Note tool allows you to add a cheat note to the source attached to the board. We just click anywhere on the board to create a new note. We click on the Edit Note button and start typing. If we move away from this board, the note disappears. But if we move back to this board, the note reappears as a reminder. The Select tool allows you to select a single stroke for manipulation. Let's select the pentagon. Once selected, the stroke will turn orange. We can then magnify or shrink, rotate, shear by holding down the Option key and rotating at the same time, stretch or compress horizontally by holding down the Option key and performing pinch to zoom. Pressing the spacebar will take the mirror image of the stroke. The Lasso tool allows you to select a collection of strokes by drawing a loop around them. We'll select the first word using the Lasso tool. Once the strokes have been selected, we can manipulate them as before. We can even move it to the source pasteboard. We can do this by pressing Command X or scroll quickly to the right. Let us select the second word now. We can delete this by pressing the Delete key or scrolling it up very quickly. Say we regret having done this. We simply click the Undo button to restore the word. The Box Select tool allows you to select a collection of strokes by specifying a box around them. This time we're going to make a copy of the second word and put it in the pasteboard by pressing Command C. We can paste any one of the collections of strokes in the pasteboard by first selecting it and clicking the left arrow button at the bottom. Let's bring in the square. We click on it and click the left arrow button. We choose a position to paste the square. It looks kind of small right now, so we magnify it. We click again and the square is placed on the board. To export the board to a PDF file, click the Export button. Let's open up the exported file in Preview. To erase all the strokes on the board, click the Wipe button. Note that wiping doesn't erase the cheat note. One can enable a guiding grid for more accurate inking by pushing the Aid Grid button. The density of the grid can be changed, so can the slant of the grid. We have gone through all the tools in the Board Annotator. Now enjoy.